In this video, we will explain how to make symmetrical or asymmetrical width setting on Omni Plus I. Warning: read and fully understand the operator's maintenance and safety manuals before using or servicing this machine. Failure to follow operating, maintenance or safety instruction could result in serious injury. Remove movable main nozzle cover. Remove the left temple. For ease of access, you can remove the temple support. Remove the top screw of the support between reed and movable main nozzle. Lose the bottom nut and place support aside. Remove the main scissors and place aside. Remove the left reed holder cover. Remove the right hand temple. Open the cloth roll clamps and cut the cloth. Open the spring clamps on both sides. Open the sand beam cover. Lift the pressure rollers. Remove the waste cutter and put aside. Remove the air tube from the Diablo extraction nozzle. Remove the complete nozzle. Cut the waste cord and remove the ends out of the reed. Remove the cloth from the sand beam. Remove the air tubes from the movable main nozzle. Lose the movable main nozzle support. Lose the reed holder clamp over the complete length. Normally we will remove the complete article, frames, reed, etc. In my case, I will later put back the same article, so I will tie the reed to the crossbeam. If you have the reed at your disposal, you can use this as a guide. In case of asymmetrical setting, place the reed in the reed holder and slide it to the left against a screw head in the reed holder. If you don't have the reed to your disposal, you have to mark on the reed holder where the drawing in ends, starting from the screw head in the reed holder. In case of symmetrical setting, make a mark in the middle of the reed as shown. In case you don't have the reed to your disposal, you have to mark on the reed holder where the drawing in begins and ends, measuring from the middle of the loom. Place the reed in the reed holder. Move the reed backwards for ease of access. The middle of the loom is marked on the reed holder. Move the reed until the mark you made on the reed is on the middle mark of the reed holder. And tighten 1 or 2 screws of the reed holder. Remove the left and right temple laminas and the middle laminas in case of symmetrical setting. When it is an asymmetrical setting, you don't have to remove the left temple lamina. Remove the clip with a special lifting tool. In case of symmetrical settings, lose all the adjustable lip in the reed profiles. If asymmetrical, you don't have to lose the left profiles. Remove or add relay nozzles if necessary. Don't forget when removing relay nozzles to put a stop on the open connections of the valve or valves. Move the first relay nozzle to 15 mm from the beginning of the reed. Tighten with 3 Nm. Use the gauge to set the next relay nozzle at a distance of 60 mm. Continue to set the relay nozzles till the end with the gauge. Remove the small profiles. Be aware of the shims under the profiles. Place the filling detector and the stretch nozzle against the filling detector. Place the last relay nozzle at a distance of a minimum of 40 mm and a maximum of 60 mm. Questions or remarks? Please contact us.